If there's any one of these musicians who could actually get a girl into bed just based on the sound of their voice, got that Frank Sinatra, old Hollywood glamour feel about him. The kind of guy that opens the car door, that pulls out the chair for you, that pays on the first date. Michael Bublé is a man. He dresses immaculate. He has like a three-piece suit on, a nice sensible tie with a white crisp shirt. He could have definitely been a member of the Rat Pack, and that automatically is sexy. I know other girls try to find that never will win anything. They don't know nothing. An older son that buying tickets to the concert. He's got it like that. I see in about 25 years in Vegas with lots of women my age throwing their family